on episode 4 of our Weekend Warrior series, and this week I'm heading to Koko in Camden to drop off a historic postcard outside this legendary music venue. So join me today as we explore a bit of London. I love this venue, it's so good, but unfortunately it was burnt down by a fire. But anyway, we're going to find out a bit about the history, musicians connected to this venue. This is going to be a good one, so alright, enjoy the video. So, welcome to the Koko. This is one of the most important music venues in Camden. It opened as the Camden Theatre on Boxing Day in 1900. It was renamed in 1909 as the Camden Hippodrome, and a load of variety performances were played here, including Charlie Chaplin, who played here a number of times. However, as the fashions changed and cinema became popular, it became a cinema in 1913, which it stayed until 1940, where it then reverted back into being used for musical performances. BBC then used it as a theatre, and they recorded the Goon Show and the Rhythm and Blues Show where the Rolling Stones played. However, by the 70s it had come back full circle and was a proper music venue once again, and was central to the punk rock scene in London. Rebranding as the Music Machine, both the Sex Pistols, Iron Maiden and the Clash played here, and in the summer of 78 the Clash played a massive 4-day residency at this venue, making it a hugely important music institution during the punk wave that swept through London. In 1982 it changed names once again, this time to the Camden Palace. Madness played here, The Cure played here, and Madonna's first UK show was also played on this very stage. In 2005 it rebranded once again, this time becoming the Koko, and again amazing musicians have continued to grace the stage. I mean, Coldplay, Noel Gallagher, Amy Winehouse, Skepta, Kanye West, Katy Perry are all people who've played this stage, along with many other names. I have seen a number of amazing bands play here as myself, and seeing it boarded up, ravaged again by fire. Hopefully these venues will stay and survive, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Remember, if you have enjoyed it, please remember to like and subscribe, give me a follow, share this if you found it interesting. Anyway, thank you. You can check out these postcards I've left lying about anywhere outside different venues, so please check them out, please share them. Anyway, have a nice day everyone, and I'll see you later. Bye.